Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from HAIRVIVI. Everything about her will be in my description box below. As y'all can see, she is giving off this beautiful brown ombre colorway. I really loved how this came out, y'all. So that is the inside of the unit. Y'all see that elastic band. So according to the title, I will be doing a glueless install. So yes, no glues, no adhesives, no sprays. It's literally this wig, and that's it. Do y'all see that hairline? That hairline is eating. I did want to add some face framing layers, but honestly I didn't have to do that. You honestly can wear her straight out the pack if you wanted to. That is how easy this wig came. I could really classify this wig as beginner friendly. I didn't even need to add powder or makeup for the parts. Like literally I just put this wig on, and a couple of times even while I'm editing this video I thought I already cut the lace off. Baby, the lace is still intact. Like, do you see how this lace blends? This was the perfect wig. I actually been recorded this review, but I'm just coming back from LA. I took this hair with me to LA. I always wanted to go to Camp Flog Gnaw. Literally one of like my childhood, high school, college dreams was fulfilled when I went to LA. So do you see how I'm cutting that lace off and it still looked like there's nothing there? That's exactly what it was given in LA, y'all. But yes, the concert, the festival, the carnival was so dope. It was so raw. I seen all my favorite artists that I wanted to see. I definitely couldn't wait to see Kendrick Lamar live. He is literally my favorite rapper of all time. And seeing Tyler the Creator and seeing the clip, I was just so overwhelmed. I had took the trip with my brothers, and yeah, it was just really dope to just be around my siblings. Like, this was the first trip that me and my siblings actually took together, so it was a nice bonding moment. So right here, I am putting that Nairobi foaming mousse just to kind of like, you know, lay that lace down just a little bit. No type of adhesive. I promise y'all, this whole install was glueless. I love how the ombre goes into that lighter brown at the bottom. So right here, I am just adding a couple of curls. Overall, this wig is definitely beginner friendly. I really do love how soft this wig was. This wig held a curl even when I went out to LA. Like, my hair still stayed in place and everything. Was dreading going to LA because I'm like, oh my god, I ain't got my hair braided. I still got to come back and do reviews. I don't want to take out braids, and then I gotta, get back into doing installs. This wig was perfect. Wore this glueless the whole time. Literally have no cons with this unit. She didn't shed, she didn't tangle. I was just obsessed with how much she held a curl, y'all. Some wigs, you put curls in it and it falls. No, she stayed in place. Like I said, y'all, no complaints. HAIRVIVI, y'all came through in the clutch for real. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank HAIRVIVI for sending me this unit so I could review it for you guys. Everything about this wig will be in my description box below. Like I said, y'all, she glueless. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.